Hey, what's up guys? It is me Zane back here with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to be using a new online web-based software called Melon by STREAMLABS. You know, the people at Logitech and STREAMLABS hit me up once again to promote their new really dope online web-based software called Melon. I'm gonna go into depth on what it is right now. We're about to go head to my computer. I'm gonna teach you guys how to use it and it'll be a lot of fun. This is literally live streaming made easy. If you're a content creator, live streamer, gamer, you know, anything like that, you guys need to check this out and watch this video. Okay guys, stay tuned. We're about to go head to my computer. Boop. Okay, so I'm finally going to explain what Melon is for people who don't know. Melon is a simplistic, easy, and fast way to live stream to your audience and fans. It only takes a few clicks to start your live stream and no sign up is required. It's the most affordable and easiest option to live stream, starting at $15 as opposed to other softwares that start at $50. It's all cloud-based and streams in 1080p HD crisp quality. The thing that I love most about Melon is that you can personalize your live stream with overlays, banners, tickers, logos, backgrounds, and many more things, all within Melon. What's really dope is that you can also schedule your live streams for different times. The thing that I think is such a big bonus, multiple streaming services all from one place at the same time. You could stream to YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, Periscope, and many more all at the same time. Another bonus is that they have amazing customer support. Okay, so now without further ado, let's log in and show you guys how to do it. Okay, so we're on the melonapp.com page, and as you can see, we have the try Melon for free. We're gonna click on that, and we can sign up with YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, or Periscope. For right now, I'm just gonna sign up with my YouTube account, and just like that. It's also great for people who do these like live interactive podcasts where they have to switch views. You can show and hide yourself or your guest on the stream. If you want to switch angles, you can hide that scene and then make it reappear to have it cut to that. Really dope stuff. And you can customize your broadcast live. As you can see, we have our name right in the corner. So let's say, you know, you're doing one of those live interview podcast things, or like one of those Zoom things. I don't know what you call those, but you can edit the title over here. Oh, edit screen. So to edit your little banner here, I guess these are called tickers, and this little banner here, edit your logo over there and your name. All you're gonna want to do is hit the edit screen button. You could change your name to nothing. You can even turn off the participant names, the audio status, so you can have like a more clean look. You can upload your own logo for branding. You can also edit the ticker right under these general settings. As you can see, all you gotta do is really just go through the drop down menu so you can customize your stuff. It's really easy to navigate. You have everything. Four categories, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you have 4 categories there. Really easy to navigate and work with. Click on one of them. Change the banner to "Hi guys, just a test." You can even change the font, which I love. Let's do a nice, I like Montserrat, I love that one. You can change the color of it. I like that red. Gives me a little bit of a news vibe, if you know what I mean. You can enable and disable the ticker. I'm gonna just write my YouTube channel link, you know. So now we have that. You know what? I'm gonna copy paste it a couple times so it looks full. Look at that. As you can see so far, everything is really easy to navigate and work with. You can invite guests to this live stream, have them come on your podcast, whatever you have going on, really. You can even change your layouts. Like, let's say you have like 2 to 3 participants, you can put them in like little boxes. Really dope stuff. Super easy to work with. And you have your little toolbar here right at the bottom center of your screen. You have your audio settings where you can mute yourself. You can stop your video just like on Zoom or Google Meets. I don't know what you guys use. You can use this really cool share screen feature. So let's say you want to share your screen with your broadcast. All you gotta do is switch scenes, click on that, show on the stream, and look at that. I didn't even know that you could do this, but it shows a view. Oh, that too. Look at that. When I'm speaking, that little box is outlined in yellow, which is really dope. So what's really cool about this is that it still kept my camera up on the screen and it showed my box. It shows my screen too. This is like really professional and really easy to use. You can even show the chat, what people are saying on your chat, and you can even schedule your broadcasts. Okay, I'm gonna stop sharing my screen right now by clicking on the X. Now to go live, all you gotta do is click on the go live button and link all your accounts that you want to live stream to. You can even live stream to another account. So for today, I'm not gonna be live streaming because I just can't. But all you really gotta do is link that account to your Google account, and if you want, link them to a bunch of others, and you can live stream to like 5 or more streaming platforms all with one program at the same time. That is just crazy cool to me. Everyone go check out Melon. This is the future of live streaming. This will make live streaming so much easier for me and for everyone else. Everyone go check out Melon. This thing is dope, really simple to use if you know nothing about stupid stream keys. This is way easier than OBS. I'm just gonna show you guys an example. So I just normally screen record with OBS. Now it's really hard to like find your stream key and like go through all these really hard settings just to get what you want. Like with Melon, all you really gotta do is head on over to your edit screen and really just click on that full HD quality 1080p. If you were to do that on OBS, you'd have to go to settings, go to general, and then go to video, and then it literally says video output is currently active. I don't even know what that means. Like, that's just too confusing. So I highly recommend you use Melon if you know nothing about that like me. Actually, I'm kidding, I know about that stuff. But if you don't, you guys should use Melon. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please smash the like button if you guys like this video. And special thanks to my guys over at Logitech and Streamlabs for sponsoring today's video. Everyone go check out melonapp.com to get started on your free trial. No credit card required, which is a great bonus. Alright, thank you guys. Peace.